Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors, with another project that we're going to share with you. Today we're going to build a mobile collapsible workbench.
Why mobile and collapsible?
Well, my workshop is in my garage, and my wife uses that garage to park her car.
Oh, so you got to be able to take it down, put it away when she's parking her car in there,
Absolutely.
And then later get it back out and put it back up. It does take up a lot of space, so it makes sense that it is collapsible and easy to store.
Yeah, when I'm done with a project, I need to be able to tear it down, put it away, and have everything cleaned up.
Makes perfect sense. What size do you imagine this workbench being?
I think it's going to be about 3 foot by 6 foot. So what we have here is 5 2x4/8, and what we're going to do is build a ladder frame out of these 2x4s, and then we've also got a sheet of 3/4 inch plywood that's pretty sturdy. It's CCPTS, which means it's CC quality. It's plugged, touched, and sanded, and we're going to screw that down to the top of these, and then we have these.
These are Trojan collapsible sawhorses. Very sturdy, easy to put up and take down. These will make great legs for the workbench.
Yeah, that's right.
We've got everything we need. Let's get after it. What are we going to do first?
We're going to cut these 2x4s down to the correct sizes. We're going to screw them together and
create the frame.
Yep, we'll be able to. Then we'll have to cut the plywood to screw it down on top. All right, so we need 2 pieces that are 6 foot, and we need 4 pieces that are 33 inches.
Well, you said it was going to be a 3 foot by 6 foot workbench, right?
That's right.
So why 33 inches? Why not 36 inches?
Well, so we're going to build a ladder frame, and we're going to have 2 pieces that are 6 foot long on either side, and the pieces in between are going to be the 33 inches because the 2 end pieces are 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches.
Okay.
So 36 minus 3 is 33 inches.
All right.
So
well, that makes perfect sense.
And 2 6-footers.
Let's make some marks, make some cuts, put this thing together.
All right, let's do it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is measure this out to 6 feet. And I'm gonna use my speed square to draw out a straight line. What I'm actually gonna do is use my speed square to keep my saw straight.
One more.
Next piece. Let's do the first one at 2 feet.
Okay, and you're marking a center line, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we have the ladder frame all made, and now we just need to cut this piece of plywood to fit on top of it. We went ahead and pre-cut this to 3 foot wide, and now we just need to cut 2 feet off of it to 6 feet, and we'll be good to go. So I've got this drywall T-square here, so what we're gonna do is measure to 6 feet, make a mark, and we're gonna use the T-square to make us a nice straight line. All right, so we've got the ladder frame made, we've got the piece of plywood cut. Now all we need to do is take that piece of plywood, put it down on the ladder frame, and screw it down.
Absolutely, let's do it.
All we need to do now is flip it over and put our sawhorses on it. All right, this thing is looking pretty sweet, but I noticed that the edges are really sharp. So I brought my router, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a 1/4-inch round over bit and just round over the edges. So Tony, pay attention.
All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. We've gotten done exactly what we wanted to get done. We've got a mobile, collapsible workbench for a small space, easy to take down, put away, and we really appreciate you checking us out. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors, built by Parr Lumber.
We'll see you next time.
I absolutely love the way this turned out. It actually didn't really take that long to do.
Yeah.
I mean, ultimately, in the end, we got it done pretty fast.